My name is Travis Wood. I work for VMware. I'm VCDX 97, a solutions architect in the Global Professional Services Engineering team. I hold VCDX in data center virtualization. I'm VCDX number 97. So as well as that, I've got the VCPs and the VCAPs that go along to get the VCDX data center. I've also got the VCAP in cloud infrastructure design, the VCAP in desktop design, and in a couple of weeks I'll be doing the VCAP in cloud infrastructure administration and then going on to do my VCDX cloud. So VMware certifications benefited me throughout my career by demonstrating a level of knowledge as we've gone through the different levels of certifications from VCP through to VCAP, then VCDX, which is along the line helped me progress my career for both within companies I've worked for or with other companies and eventually joining VMware. And then again, once getting my VCDX, progressing up to the solutions architect role within VMware. So having VCDX certified staff at VMware helps with their marketability of the professional services organisation by being able to demonstrate that their consultants have achieved the highest level of certification possible, and it then further adds to the credibility when you do go on site to speak with customers. So preparing for the exams, the very first thing I've always done is download the blueprint. So have a look at what's in the exam and then go through, mark all the elements down into a spreadsheet and then rate myself being 1 to 3 as to whether I already know it, whether I need to develop or whether I don't know it. Then once I've developed that, I can target the areas that I need to develop better. Then I go through and research those areas and go back and then reassess myself until I get green down the whole spreadsheet. The best advice I can give to people preparing for exams is to really think about what the exam's targeting and look at the blueprint and research what's in the blueprint, particularly when we get up to even to the VCDX level. The blueprint is really well defined as to what you need to know, what we're looking for, and a lot of people still miss critical elements that I know are in the blueprint. So the resources and tools that you can use to study for exams, the most obvious one is the VMware documentation, so that's always a good start to look through. Then the communities, the blogs and the other people around the community. Then peers as well, so other consultants that might be doing the same certification or that might have already been able to do it. They can give you advice and help do practice questions and help give you advice on where you need to focus on, and particularly when getting up to the VCDX level, reviewing each other's designs and conducting mock defenses. So the most important thing I think when you're considering the certification is just targeting at what's going to be important to you and your job role and your future prospects. So now that we've gone down into the different streams and we're focusing on the data center virtualization, the cloud and the end user compute, deciding what sort of stream you want to focus on because they do take some time and energy to do, and just determining what's most important to you and your career goals.